Right then, people, long time no see. Is that the saying? Long time no see? Long time no see. Right, welcome to a new video. Sid from Project Strickling. Right, job today. You're not going to see me doing much of this though because I've got to shoot. I've got to go and clean a military fire engine now. Last minute job. It's being shipped off to Abu Dhabi tomorrow. So I've got to go down to Bruntingthorpe and clean it like now. I'm leaving Colin to do this one. Connor's off today. Connor's still here for anyone wondering. He's barely clinging on. I think he's tired. But yeah, so a load has happened, guys. It's been about 3 weeks since the video. Sorry, we've done like 100 jobs. Just been busy. I've just been trying to get in the zone, basically. I did what I said I was going to do, smash out 3 straight weeks and then book a holiday. So I'm going on holiday on the 10th. So I can relax a little bit now on the run up. Yeah, right, I'm just gonna get there, guys, get this video started. I'll see you when I get there. I have no idea what it looks like. I've got to use a hydrant for the water. Right, let me pause you there real quick. There's no intro of me walking around this fire truck. It's an Oshkosh fire truck. It's an aircraft rescue firefighting, basically a giant water cannon, guys. Yeah, the file corrupted on the camera. It was like 28 degrees that day, I think, and it just, yeah, I recorded too long and it corrupted, so it is gone. So I did a walk around, explained history about it and blah blah blah, but unfortunately it is disappeared. So I'm going to cut straight into the clips of me cleaning. Enjoy the video, and there is a few jobs after this as well, so yeah, nice one. Okay, stage 1 done, guys. That's taken over half a tank of water, so like 200 litres I've just used on that. Downside, I haven't even shown you guys the new machine. I'll show you that in a minute, but downside of a bigger machine, a lot more water used. So that's all pretty clean in there now. There's not really any remnants of like thick grease or anything like that, or oil. So obviously it's not as clean. I'd like to be able to spend more time on it, but I think that'll do to get them through. And then yeah, obviously you saw the color change in this as I was doing it, man. It's, yeah, although it's a green truck, it's definitely a lot more luminous green than it should be. Obviously I did that a little bit there, and then you come down to all of that. So right, let's carry on. but I'm out of water, and the frustrating thing is I've got to reel this hose back in every time and drive a few minutes, or like a minute, to the hydrant to go and fill up. I might as well show you while I'm here. I'll do a more in-depth thing on this in a video, but this is the new machine, guys. So I've got a 26 litres a minute, 200 bar, amazing new setup. All this is new, that's new, the boiler's new. Even got my little name engraved on it, look. But anyway, I'll do a bigger rundown on this at some point because it deserves a proper look itself. So yeah, this is going to be a pain in the arse. To put it into context, I've done one wheel bay and one side and used 500 litres, and I've got 3 more wheel bays and 3 sides to go. I just feel bad because I'm in a bit of a rush because Colin's on his own, but I don't think it's going to be possible for me to get back in a decent time. I'm not that worried anyway, it's more trying to keep on schedule with our customers, because we're averaging like 6 to 7 roofs a week at the moment, and obviously we only work 5 days, so we're keeping up like a really good schedule. But another thing is also it's summer holiday time, so work has slowed down a little bit. Like our inquiries aren't sort of through the roof like they've been for the last 12 months. Because it just gets to that point again where people start using their money for different things instead of home improvement. So if we do fall behind a little bit, it's not like the end of the world because we're in the dry season at the moment. And then when we get into like when we get into autumn, it starts to really heat up again. And so if anyone's worried about work, if they're thinking, oh my god, it's summertime and I've got like no work, don't fret, it happens every time this year. It's basically everyone's just spending their money on holidays and things like that. It's to be expected really, so don't worry. When we get into end of August, September, it's going to start going crazy. Right, let's zoom off and get to that hydrant. Holy cow, it looks better than it did before. Like, obviously I know that, but still a bit of dirt on the bottom of the wheels. Hey, gosh, makes a massive difference when you let it dry out for a second. Am I colourblind or something? It looked like kind of greenish. I know obviously because it had green on it, but wow. I know not green here, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but this sort of like, it's just oxidisation, isn't it? Gosh, I didn't realise. And look how nice that looks now. Yes! And these wheels, oh my god, that's taken me 15 minutes to fill back up. Right. Look in here. Yeah, buddy. It's like, literally, there's like no grease anywhere, look. None. Still pink fingers. You shouldn't be able to touch stuff like this, but still have pink fingers. This is killing me, guys. Not doing this job. I'm really enjoying it. It's too hot today, guys. The camera keeps turning itself off. So I don't know how the video is turning out, to be honest with you. Every time I've gone back to the camera, it's been turned off. So I don't know how much of my clip is being filmed or not, which is stressing me out a bit. But God, everything is landing on me, man. I think we can get away with one more refill. This part here is almost done. It just needs a little bit of a detail on the wheels and a final check inside the bay. Then we've got this last section. This is going to take like 3/4 of a tank easy. Look how bad that is. Oh my God. And then we've just got the front left to do. So maybe one more tank, maybe one more after that. But yeah, gosh. So this was exactly the same as that other side I've just shown you. Okay, not well. You say clean, it's ancient, isn't it? But it's, yeah, clean enough. Wheels look great as well. Right, okay, one more water fill, hopefully. Beautiful. Let's do this. Time is 1:40, man. Come on, if I can get this done in an hour and a half, I can get back to Colin. And we're in good standing. I'm going to try and let this camera cool off for a minute while I go and sort that, so I'll be back shortly. Right then folks, completion. I am gonna have to race. It's just turned 3 o'clock. I can get back to Colin for 4 and try and help out whatever's left. I'm probably gonna have to reschedule tomorrow's job now, but I think you will all agree it was worth it, wasn't it? Yeah, a load of, I think it's oxidization on the side, so it's a little bit stripy in spots, but I mean it has fully dried out now and it's not that noticeable. It is a little bit actually, but they're having it sanded down and repainted anyway, so it was just to get the grime off, guys, to be honest with you. You know, it's not a new vehicle, is it? So we're not going to get it looking like it's just come off the factory shop floor. So, but yeah, I don't know what you guys think. You let me know. I think that looks a million times better. Literally a million times better. Engine bays looking, I mean, what is it, the whole thing? I mean, has this got multiple engines or what? Oh, well, you can see it up there. There's a big giant thing. So I don't know. Everyone was going off at me when I did the jet because I thought thought that was the spot where they drop a bomb from, so everyone was having to go at me. I don't know what I was thinking, guys, to be honest, but yeah, I know I felt a bit embarrassed after that. But yeah, do you remember how green how dodgy this was? Look at it now. Lovely and is that actually shiny, that engine is, which is pretty crazy for how bad it was. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't think with the time I've had I would have been able to do much better than this, but I mean, I don't know if I could have done much better than this anyway. It looks great. So and all of these were covered in green, everything was green. All of this, so manky. Look, that's been cleaned. 10 video, 45 long, 13. So that's the oxidization for you guys, because I've cleaned that and somebody scribbled on it and it's actually still in there. But yeah, again around this side, beautiful. You know what I mean? Just again, this didn't come off, guys. That's wearing the paint, that is. That's not dirt. And then all of that. So yeah, that'll be it for this, folks. Well, we'll go race and see Colin now. Actually, I'll film that for you. Yeah, I'm happy as a Larry with that. Looks amazing. I've just booked in after I get back from holiday to come and do the other side of this jet. So look forward to that video. Wow, look at that. And let me show you the next thing that we're doing as well. I might try and do it all in one thing because you've already seen this jet being cleaned, so I'll film it, but I won't do a full video on us cleaning the other side of this, because this side is not the bad side at all. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. It was the side that I've done on the video that was gross. Let me show you what we're doing next. Not that one, we can do that one if we want. It's probably again the other side that's gross, but we are doing this next. So when I get back off holiday, guys, I'm coming back here and we are going to be cleaning all of this, so stay tuned. I'll have the drone up and everything for that one. It will be a mega video. Look at it. Can you see how bad it is up there? And look how clean that looks. That's my baby, that is. I'll climb up on this thing while I'm there. I might as well have a little walk around. Everyone always moans me for the talking, but I'm on my own, guys. There's no one for me to talk to, so I'm choosing to talk to you guys. So don't be offended. Let's have a look. Look at that. The scale of it is insane. Let's just see all the dirt on the wing, look, where it's been under the tree. Comet. So yeah, next time you see me here, guys, probably in the month of August. I'll make sure of it in the month of August. We are cleaning the Comet. So look forward to that. And let's head on. Look, we've got a mini fire engine there. We should do that next time as well. But I mean, guys, this is basically a playground for me. I've spoken to the owner of all of it. He says whatever you want to do, just do it. So obviously his main focus is he really wants to get these jets nice and clean. But I mean, I can do these. I can the whole thing. If I can literally clean whatever I see here. So even that van, should we do that van? That's funny. XX900. That the first jet I ever cleaned, the Buccaneer XX900, which used to be here at this airfield before another airfield bought it, so that van has something to do with that jet. There we go. Right then, look at how little my van looks next to that big beast. Right, let's go rescue Colin. Right then, folks, back here, look at the difference there that Colin's made. So he's done front and side, he just needs to do a quick clean up, and then I'm going to finish the back tomorrow. Time is 4:45, so pointless to start in the back now, it's getting too late. So yeah, busy day tomorrow. It's just me and Connor tomorrow because Colin's off, and so I'm going to beast him tomorrow. He's going to be beasted. Oh, I need to take this barrel as well. Oh, see you later, mate. Yeah, he just needs to clean up next door a little bit as well, and that's that. So yeah, I'll see what's going on when I edit this video, if there's enough in it for you. If not, I'll throw another job in, but if there is, thanks for watching. I'm recording every day till I go on holiday, so there should be plenty of video. I know I keep saying it, whatever, shut up Sid. All right, see you later.